Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to create a Microsoft Teams account for completely free. And first of all, we're going to go into any web browser and just type in microsoft.com/English or whatever language you want, Microsoft Teams/free. And then once you're here on this site, you're going to press sign up for free. Press sign up for free again, and then it will redirect you to a sign in page. Once you're here, you're going to have a list of accounts that you can use, but if you want to use a different account, you can just choose this, sign in with different account. And then if you don't actually have a Microsoft account, you can just press create an account. First, you're going to need to enter an email address. If you don't have one, you can just think of one and make it on the spot. Then, once you've created your email, you're going to press sign in again, and it will. Once you've made your email, you're going to go back into your Teams application, or actually on the online version of Microsoft Teams, and then just choose to sign in and enter the email that you've created. And that's pretty much it. That's how you create a Microsoft Teams account. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.